In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a numbered list in Google Sheets. This is a simple yet powerful way to organize and keep track of your data. Let's dive right in and break it down step by step so that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a structured list quickly and effortlessly. First things first, open up Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to Google Drive and selecting a new or existing spreadsheet. If you're already familiar with this step, feel free to follow along by loading up your own sheet. With your sheet open, we'll start by creating our numbered list in column A. Begin by clicking on cell A2. This will be the starting point for our list. In cell A2, type in 1 to establish the first item in your list. After doing so, simply hit the Enter key to move to the next cell. This process is the foundation of creating a numbered list, and it's as straightforward as typing in each number followed by a period. Now, continue with cell A3, type in 2. And again, press Enter. You might find that using repetitive action, while simple, ensures each step becomes second nature. Repeat this process for the subsequent cells. Click on cell A4 and type 3. Then press Enter once more. You're continuing to populate the column with consecutive numbers. Click on cell A5 and write 4, followed by Enter. Keep going until cell A6, entering 5. And completing this initial sequence for our list. Now, we're ready to expand this functionality to another sheet within the same document. You'll navigate to Sheet 2 by clicking the tab at the bottom. This is where we can further apply our list with a bit of a formulaic touch. Click on cell C2 in Sheet 2. Here, we'll incorporate a formula to concatenate input from the first sheet and craft a seamless list in this new tab. In cell C2, type the following formula. AUX concatenate A2. B2. What this does is it takes the value from A2, appends a dot, and merges it with any adjacent content in B2. After typing it in, simply press Enter to see the result reflected in the cell. This is a versatile way to create a combined result within your spreadsheet and helps highlight its dynamic capabilities. To apply this across other rows, click on C3 and replace the formula for A3 and B3, following the same pattern, AUX concatenate A3. B3. Press Enter, and just like that, your functionality extends. Continue this for cells C4 through C6, adjusting the formula to AUX concatenate A4. B4, and so on, pressing Enter each time. There you have it. You've successfully created a numbered list in Google Sheets and expanded the technique into another sheet using formulas. This isn't just about maintaining order, but enhancing your spreadsheet skills efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!